let's start with the introduction. It starts out in A minor. And there's a little, kind of like a little pull on your index finger. So he starts singing Daniel. And then after hanging on the A minor for a few measures, it goes G, F, E minor, D minor, C to D minor, then it goes G, F, C. That ends when he says, and they're not afraid to use it. That's the GFC part of that. So he goes into it like a little kind of breakdown here after the introduction. He starts on D minor. That's where he does goes D minor to A minor twice and then resolves to the C. They'll probably give it up. Including me. That's that little section there. And then it goes into kind of a pre-chorus, and that is F, E minor, D minor, C, G. And then it goes into the chorus from there. And it's where he's saying, oh, you. So that is F, G, A minor, C, D minor. Then it passing chord is G. Then it starts over. F, G, A minor, C, D minor. Okay, the next part is of the chorus is where kind of builds up, and he's saying, "You're born to be an astronaut." So there are two repetitions of this chord progression. We're coming out of the D minor. Oh, you. Let's cover the chords. We got G to F, C to D minor, G, F, A minor chord. It kind of like feels like the chorus should be over, but it's not. It goes G, F, C, D minor, G, F, D minor. Just to review where we're at, okay, I just showed you the second part of the chorus. That's the part where he says, well, you were born to be an astronaut. And then he says, the next little phrase starts with, what a way to live and die. And then he finishes by saying, they should they should listen and do as their mother tells them. And that is the last part of the chorus where it goes to a D minor. And it goes into that kind of vaudeville section next that we already covered. Just another clarification of where we are. I'm not going to show you the little vaudeville kind of breakdown, or it's all very Beatlesque too. But I'm not going to show you that because I've already showed you it. And then it goes into the chorus again, and I'm not going to show you that a second time. But I am going to show you how the chorus, the second time around, the chorus has a slight variation where it plays a B flat. And that's because after the second chorus, it goes into a guitar solo. So that's where we're going right now, to the end of that second chorus where it has a slight variation from the first. B flat, G, F, and then he's saying 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes into the solo section. In the guitar solo is they start out on the C, and the guitar solo is going. Then the A minor, so they start in the C. Then after a while, they move to the A minor. Then after they stay on that for a little bit, they go to G. F. They're really jamming out here. And then it goes back to C. So that's the rhythm guitar behind the guitar solo. Talk about the guitar solo in a different lesson. Okay, after the guitar solo, they go into another chorus. And that would be, I think, the third chorus. And the third chorus is just like the second chorus. And by that I mean when they go to that A minor, they go B flat, G, F. Then they go to another outro. They go to the outro, which is also another guitar solo. So let's cover the ending of the song. B minor, G, F, just like the second chorus. And there you go. G, F, A minor, C, E, F, A minor, C, D minor, C, D minor, C. I think what they're doing is they're doing that little pull off. Then they go G, F, A minor, C, D minor, G, F, C, D minor, F minor. I haven't seen that in this song. Let's see. So that's how it ends. It goes F minor, C. That's what I really wanted to cover, was how the song ended from F to F minor. I think the other parts, the G to F to A minor, C, we've covered that in other parts of the song.